How to show Telegram message on motion, iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the Telegram application on your phone. As you can see, you are now in the Telegram chats list. Here, you can view all your chats on Telegram. Open any chat from here. As you can see, this contact has shared a file with you in this chat. Press and hold the file and tap on Select. You can now select the other messages in this chat as well. After that, tap on the share icon below. You can view all the sharing options available here. From the options, select Notion. Tap on Add to and select the page you want to add it to. Then, tap on Save as shown. Now, go back and open up the Notion app. As you can see, the Telegram message is now added to this note. Tap on it to open and view the file. Following these steps, you can easily show Telegram message on motion iPhone.